Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm back at East Maitland. XRN 013 is the leading loco. And it's an empty coal train working its way up the Hunter. Maitland, Hunterset J2 has just departed platform number 1 for our Hamilton Newcastle service, stopping at all stations. We have a J-set passing, J5. We have a Dungog service passing platform number 2. Class leader, N1. Next stop, Maitland. We have XONs about to pass the up coal track just over here. XON 008 leading. Following by XON 025, XON 019. Sorry about my finger in the road. Please subscribe to Evan's Train Vlogs, just the Limbo Master. Please subscribe to Hunter Valley Train Vlogs, and also please subscribe to Heritage Transport in New South Wales, and please subscribe to Transport Vlogs for Sydney. Yeah. There you go, we finally reached the end of the train. We have Endeavour set N2 arriving on platform number 2 for a Talawa service. Stopping at High Street, they're followed by Maitland and Talawa. Endeavour set N2 now departing platform number 2, Talawa service. N2 will be stopping at High Street, followed by Maitland and Talawa. Whilst the college train is on the move. Finally. We have a J-set passing, J7.
Getting my shot. Good one.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.